Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically visit Creator Center on CapCut PC and possibly upload some video effects and stickers. So go to your homepage and select this arrow over here, then select Creator Center. You're going to be redirected to this tab, and you can basically post here stickers. You can upload single stickers or sticker pads. I think it's gonna bring you to upload an image, but I don't have any of images made here. You can upload PNG or in JPEG. This is the image size recommendation. There's also some gift stickers and some frame sequence stickers. So when you press this, you're just going to upload the stickers. You also have video effects, which I'm not sure how this works honestly, because you're supposed to import a video effect. Maybe actually I'm not quite sure how this works, but you're just going to upload them. If they don't really have items that are used, you just made it yourself, I think they might upload it to CapCut PC, but I'm not 100% sure. But that's how you can visit Creator Center. If you don't want it, just press the X mark and it's going to bring you back here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!